Hello guys, today let's check out a box set containing cooking books. This is Sanjeev Kapoor's Kitchen Library Vegetarian Collection. This box set contains beautiful vegetarian recipes by Sanjeev Kapoor. It contains 5 books in it. The first one, beverages, soups and salads. The second, snacks and starters. The third, main dishes. Fourth, rice, bread and pickles. And the last book, sweets and desserts. These are beautiful paperback books. The box is quite handy and lightweight, easy to carry and lift around. This box set costs around 485 rupees. I got this box set for around 400 on Amazon. Sanjeev Kapoor is one of the famous chef of India, and all his recipes are very famous. And this box set is his vegetarian collection. So let's check his books. The first book, beverages, soups and salads. This is a paperback book, good to carry around. And here are the contents or recipes of all which is available in this book. It is divided as beverages, soups, salads. In beverages, we have honey and fruit smoothie, iced chocolate cream, mango margarita, virgin Bloody Mary, solkadi, honeyed apple tea, melon pineapple and grape punch, aam ka apshola, ginger lemonade, carrot orange frappe, kiwi vanilla lassi, imli ka amlana, faluda, nakli bang, masala soda, strawberry orange and soya shake, piyush, zafrani sharbat. So these are the beverages. And in soups we have Balinese vegetable soup, gazpacho, narangi shorba, matar ka shorba, hot and sour vegetable soup, mushroom cappuccino, roasted pumpkin and walnut soup, sabzi ka shorba, sweet corn vegetable soup, spinach and rice soup, tomato rasam, carrot and almond soup, vegetable clear soup, wonton soup, dahi shorba, French onion and garlic soup, cream of asparagus and almond soup, red pepper soup with lemon, mushroom and paneer clear soup, minestrone toscano. And in salads we have apple, pineapple and orange salad, bean sprout salad, aloo kachlu, chat, pataush, lady's finger, pachadi, warm red cabbage salad, fruit and capsicum salad, green jewels in a bowl, corn and bean, swom, paneer and pineapple salad, tropical salad with mango dressing, green salad with apple vinaigrette, mango sesame with grapes, moth and mung sprout, salad, cucumber, penne in Thousand Island dressing, pasta and corn salad, sunshine salad, tomato pachodi, pina colada salad, 3 chili potato salad, coleslaw with cottage cheese, 4 bean salad, summer tomato pasta salad, surprise orange salad, tubule, piquant potato salad. So these all the recipes this book contains, and finally an annexure and glossary. This book is around 100 pages with each recipe almost with a picture, ingredients and methods. They have given very beautifully, easy to follow while making the recipe in home. So this is the beverages, soups and salads. Coming to the next book, snacks and starters. This is of also similar size and pages. So let's check here the recipes which is available in this book. So here they have divided into two types, Indian and international. In Indian we have aloo nazakat, baby, uttapam, vada pav, haryali paneer, achari idli, bakarwadi chaat, bread upma, microwaved poha, biscuit corn save, spinach and cheese idli, chile pude, chatpati, shankir pali, corn, handwo, dahi aloo tikki, कच्चे केले और मटर के कटलेट, दही के कबाब, लाहौरी पनीर टिक्का, ढोकला चाट, फराली मिसाल, मालवानी पनीर फ्राई, मसाला वड़ा, स्प्रिंग डोसा, पनीर कैप्सिकम पकोड़े, फ्रूट चाट, कांदवी पाव भाजी, साबुदाना तालीपीठ, samosa chole. And international we have caramel popcorn, crunchy paneer, baked corn rolls, Mexican chaat, beans and chili dip, chili paneer, garden vegetable rolls, honeyed potato fingers, crispy wontons, crispy baby corn, Manchurian rolls, momos, quesadillas, paneer satay, Sichuan vegetable fingers, three pepper pizza, vegetable triple decker sandwich, mini tostados, nachos with salsa, falafel, Four Seasons pizza, cheese straws, golden bags, crostini al parmigiano, stuffed mushrooms, Swiss cheese fondue, Cajun potatoes, chili cheese toast, crudies with herbed paneer and yogurt dip, and annexure and glossary. This also they have given with beautiful recipe pictures, all the ingredients and methods with each step easy to follow while making. Beautiful book. So this is the snacks and starters. Now coming to the third book, main dishes. And here the dishes have been divided into Indian and international also. So in Indian we have beans poriyal, mawa, kaju matar, palak makai, avial, achari gobi, दूधी पनीर का सूखा सलान, रसदोर बैंगन और आलू, बार्ली मिर्ची, चने जैसलमेर का, चना ढालना, सरसों का साग, मसालेदार भिंडी, शाही पनीर, पनीर टिक्का मसाला, दही भिंडी, आलू पुचलर दलना, अमृत की सब्ज़ी, ड्रमस्टिक करी, दाल दोखली, खालान, गाजर गोभी और शलगम का साग, मूल्याची भजी, गोभी मटर, साया कीमा मटर, केरला, मसालेदार कढ़ाई छोले, केसरिया बैंगन, लहसुनी कुंदरू, पम्पकिन, अरिसरी, कॉफ़ी कोफ्ता, मलाई कोफ्ता करी, उंदियो, कश्मीरी दम आलू. And in international we have vegetable hakka noodles, chili garlic okra, penne with vegetables and cottage cheese, pasta with red pepper sauce, chili garlic noodles, broccoli and zucchini, chow mein, asparagus with saffron chili cheese sauce, ratatouille, crisp noodles with stir-fried vegetables, hot and sour fried yam, sweet corn and paneer bake, pan-fried mushrooms, macaroni cheese pie, penne arrabbiata, five-spice stir-fry, potato gnocchi with tomato sauce, roasted tomato farfalle, Shanghai stewed noodles, Thai vegetable green curry, three pepper paneer bake, stir-fried broccoli and tofu with pepper, tofu in hot garlic sauce, tomato with penne, Thai vegetables in red curry, vegetable masaman curry, vegetable balls in Manchurian sauce, and annexure and glossary. So just like the other books, here also with beautiful pictures of the recipe, and ingredients and simple steps they have given to follow the recipe. This book is also around 100 pages. All these books, they are mainly given in Hindi headings, so some people may not know until they read it, and my translation may be little lacking also. So this is the main dishes. The next is rice, bread and pickles. And here are the recipes: rice, bread, pickles and chutneys. In rice, we have chitrana, brinjal, palau, kajun rice, acharya khichdi, creamy saffron risotto, green treasure rice, hot garlic fried rice, herb rice with mushroom, jeera rice, jodhpuri vegetable palau, mixed vegetable pale, vegetable biryani, beetroot kakdi, magoj palau, makai ki khichdi, morkali, masale bath, mushroom dum biryani, spinach and mushroom risotto, Panchranga Pulao, Pudnicha Bhat, Rajasthani, Motian Pulao, Tamarind rice, coconut rice, risotto, al Milanese, vegetable fried rice, pineapple fried rice, Suranki Khichdi. And in bread we have kulcha, besan ki masala roti, aloo gobi parantha, Bikaneri dal parantha, chawal ka parantha, kasta roti, lachcha paratha, lasun chawal, tepla, koki, luchi, methi paratha, missi roti, palak or paneer paratha, cheese and coriander paratha, neer dosa, tandoori roti, pickles and chutneys. We have aam ka achar, बैगन का अचार, गाजर गोभी, शालगम का अचार, chunda, ginger and tomato chutney, spinach chutney, hirvi mirchi, techa, keri ki lonji, metamba, roasted peanut chutney, लहसुन की चटनी, तीखा नींबू अचार, tomato chutney, dal tuwayal, mango and onion chutney. Most of the recipes they have given in their own language, how they are called, but they have translated in English, just like that. So some maybe we not understand what it is until we read the recipe. This is also of similar designs and all. Beautiful book. Easy to follow recipes. These are another 100-page beautiful book here. And each book you can get for 99 rupees separately. So if you lose one book or something, own or tone it is, you can buy it separately. But when you buy a box set, you can get it for a lot cheaper. So finally, the last book, Sweets and Desserts. So here they have divided as Indian, international, cakes and cookies. So in Indian we have besan ka laddu, gud ki methi, kadak puri, strawberry sandesh, tawa mithai chaat, Shrikhand, Balushahi, Modak, Amras with Kesar, Coconut Karanji, Double Ka Meeta, Dudi Halwa, Dried Fruit Chikki, Mysore Pak, Suji Kheer, Lapsi, Jalebi, Pal Paisam, Til Ke Laddu, and Gajar or Kajur Ka Halwa, Kajurachi Wodi, Kalakand, Amba Rasayam, Moong Dal Halwa, Fidni, Kesri Indrayani, Pineapple Sheera, Patoli, Paneer and Coconut Laddu, Karwa's Kesari Kulfi, Kheer Kadam, Chawal Ki Methi, Semian Payasam, Malpuo, Sakarai Pongal, Paneer Lollies, Shahi Bread Pudding, Gulab Jamun, and international we have Chocolate Nut Fondue, Crunchy Peanut Cookies, Sizzling Brownies with Vanilla Ice Cream, eggless pineapple mousse, Jiffy ice cream, quick chocolate mousse, strawberry panna cotta, toffee grapes, double chocolate chip ice cream, vanilla sponge with fruit cream, baked coconut rice pudding, almond pudding, walnut chocolate fudge, steamed banana cakes. And lastly, cakes and cookies, we have velvet, mocha cream pie, eggless brownies, eggless fruit cake, eggless sponge cake, honey crisp, mava cupcakes, microwave eggless chocolate cake, chilled coffee mousse cake, zesty lemon cake, orange and choco chips muffins, wheat cookies, pineapple gattu, and butter cookies. So these are the recipes that this book contain in sweets and desserts. And just like all of the books, beautiful pictures of recipes, ingredients, and methods written in step by step, easy to make by following these instructions. Perfect for any beginners who want to cook beautiful recipes. And since all these books are paperbacks, they're perfect to carry around. So these are the Sanjeev Kapoor's vegetarian collection, his kitchen library. Please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing books. I'm gonna show all beautiful books in that. See you next time.